Hello guys, in this video we will talk about homeowner insurance. It's the one investment that you should get emotional about. Your home is more than bricks and mortar, it is full of the memories and you are reflected in every detail. So if you experience a claim, you will want more than a check from your insurer. You will want your life back and to rebuild without hassles, headaches or delay. How do I insure my home without Chubb? An independent insurance agent can help your tailor or homeowner insurance policy to ensure that you have a comprehensive protection to meet your unique needs. You can find an agent here. Where does into my home insurance premium? The main factor that determines your premium and the cost of your insurance are your home's location and the possibility of being affected by the natural disasters, the amount of the coverage you need, the deductible you have chosen, your home's protective and preventive devices, your claims or bills paying history, your credit scores if permissible, the unique characteristics of your home, the type of the coverage you choose, you have been a client, and the other Chubb products you might have that generates a discount when handled. What is replacement cost coverage? Replacement cost coverage means that your home's coverage amount is based on its replacement cost, how much it would cost to rebuild it, as is with the same level of the detail and finishes. It takes into the account cost at the time of the loss, such as the materials, labors, architect and designers fees, lighting and custom design finishings, plus with extended replacement cost coverage, Chubbs with pay to rebuild or restore your home after a covered loss, even if the cost exceed your policy limits, which could indicate upgrades required to keep up with the modern building codes. What is the replacement cost coverage? Replacement cost coverage means that your home coverage amount is based on its replacement cost, how much it would cost to rebuild it, and as is with the same level of the detail and finishes. It takes into the account cost at the time of the loss, such as the material, labor, architect and designer fees, lighting and custom design finishes, plus with the extended replacement cost of the coverage. Chubb with pay to rebuild or restore your home after a covered loss, even if the cost exceed your policy limits, which could include upgrades required to keep up with the modern building codes. Chubb Masterpiece Homeowner Coverage Lights Extended Replacement Cost. With extended replacement cost coverage after a covered loss, Chubb will pay to have your home repaired or rebuilt to its original condition, even if the cost exceed your policy limits. We will even pay for upgrades made necessary by the loss due to the modern building codes. Temporary living arrangements. If your home cannot be lived is due to the covered loss and you need a temporary residence with your house is rebuilt, Chubb will help you find a place to stay where you will be comfortable, whether that is at similar home in your school district if available or a suitable hotel. Consulting through a complimentary home appraisals. Chubb's highly trained risk consultant will visit your home to carefully note the things that turn your house into your home and make sure you are fully protected. Our risk consultant also assist with the security and a fire prevention device. Cash settlement. In the event of the covered total loss, if you decide not to rebuild or to rebuild at another location, Chubb offers a cash settlement up to your policy limits. The choice is yours. Replacement cost coverage. In the event that the things inside your home are damaged, Chubb will replace all the details that turn your house into a home, from upgrade appliances to custom cabins, flooring and carpentry. Plus we will replace upgrade appliances based on the exact or latest model available. We will make sure your belongings are covered for the amount it costs to replace them today without deduction for the depreciation up to the limit you choose on your policy, and Chubb doesn't require you to replace them. You may choose a cash settlement instead. The extras are not extra with the Chubb. A Chubb homeowner policy includes extras coverage to help protect you in an expanded situation, ranging from the tree removal after a storm, restoration of the electronic data destroyed by a computer device. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel.